Hello, I'm Catherine, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if this is a return visit. Today I wanted to share with you what I am packing to go on a trip to take my son to college. We are taking my son to college this week, and I wanted to share with you my makeup bag so that you can see kind of the things that I like to bring with me for travel. So I showed you all this in my Sephora favorites, the little bundle that I got from Sephora, that video. If you haven't seen that, that was a really fun bundle. But one of the things I really loved about it was this bag. It's nice and clear, and of course it's nice for travel. I'm not going to be checking any bags, so I need this to fit nicely in my carry-on, and this is just perfect for that. So I always start off thinking about a primer, and if I have a mini size, all the better. I did have a mini size of the Tarte base tape, and I really like this one. It's not only is it moisturizing, it has a nice little pump, very moisturizing, but it's also very easy under makeup. It's not too sticky like a gripping primer, and it's not overly glowy, which is kind of nice because I just want neutral makeup pretty much the whole time. So this is a perfect primer. Foundation is always a tricky product, and I really didn't want to bring more than one foundation. We're only going to be gone for a few days, and of course the focus of this trip is just moving him into his dorm room. So I decided to bring the Causemetics CC cream, just the original. I never have a bad makeup day when I use this. It's just a very good product. It evens out my skin. It feels nice. My skin isn't overly dry when I use it. And bonus, it has added SPF, which is going to be great. Now, I never rely on this to be my sole SPF, but it's really nice to have that added bonus, especially because we're going to be in and out loading things into a car. And it's just nice to have a little bit of extra protection. For concealer, I'm bringing my favorite, my Makeup Forever HD. And a big part of this is because it is self-setting. I don't have to add any extra powder to it. It sets, it stays in place. It's foolproof for me. So this is my favorite concealer. I just can always trust this concealer, so it's perfect for travel. I do like to have an eyeshadow primer. It makes everything work so much better and less creasing and lasting wear, and I need foolproof, easy products. So I decided to bring this Bare Minerals Gen Nude. I really do like this eyeshadow primer. You can use this alone. It takes care of any veins or anything discoloration you might have on your lids, but it's really nice as an eyeshadow primer. For powder, I'm gonna bring my Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil. This is the newest product they have, where it is actually in a compact, which I prefer to bring when I travel because the loose powders are more difficult to deal with, more mess. So this is just a nice powder, and I like that it has a little bit of extra coverage if I need it for touch-ups during the day. For bronzer and highlight, I'm gonna bring my Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. This to me is just such a perfect traveling product because I have both my bronzer and my highlight. And of course you can use both of these on your eyes too. It's just a great product. It never does me wrong, and I can always trust that it will look nice. And so this is always a great one for travel. For blush, I'm going to be bringing this Bare Minerals Blonzer. This is in the shade Kiss of Pink. The reason I love this is because you can wear it with cooler tones or with warmer tones. It's a nice chameleon blush, which is really, really hard to find sometimes. So I love this because it's just very easy to work with any type of look, anything I'm wearing, it doesn't matter. It just gives me that nice, easy flush, and I love it. It's great. For brows, I'm gonna be bringing this Thrive Causemetics. This is their brow pencil in the shade Christina. I have been enjoying this a lot lately. It's a perfect shade for my brows. I think I got this in a BoxyCharm or maybe an Ipsy. I've had it for a while and I just haven't used it, and I've really been enjoying it. So this is their skinny brow pencil. And then for my clear brow gel, I'm bringing this Milani. I recently got this. This is the Clear Brow, but it's just a nice, easy brow gel that you can put on top of your pencil. For eyes, I'm going super, super simple. I am just gonna bring this little tiny Viseart. You can see how tiny it is. This is one of their Petite 4 palettes. This one is called Praline, and it just has everything you need for a basic eye look. It only has the one matte, but this shimmer is more of a satin finish, And then this is much lighter. And then you have a little bit more of a metallic. Really, really pretty. And because I like to have options, I am going to throw in a Laura Mercier eyeshadow stick. I love these. And this one is my newest one. It is in the Rose collection. And it is called Strike a Rose. And I've really been enjoying this. And that is the shade. Then for eyeliner, I'm just bringing my Urban Decay. I love this shade so much. This is in the shade Smog. It's just a really nice bronzy eyeliner. For mascara, I'm bringing my Bare Minerals Strength and Length. I love this mascara when I'm traveling because it is serum infused and it has some really good ingredients for your lashes. And it's just a good, natural, easy mascara. It never irritates my eyes. It doesn't flake or smudge. So this is just a good standard mascara. It doesn't give me like wow eyelashes, but I love it. And you can build it. It's very easy and I can just count on it to wear well. I am gonna bring, this was from this kit that I got. It was a mini of the Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm glad to have that. I really like that setting spray. For lips, of course, I'd like some options. So I am only bringing one lip liner, and that is my Milani Understatement lip liner in the shade Cafe au Lait. And that will pretty much go with everything. I'm bringing this from that same kit. This is from Ilia. It was their little mini. It's called Tahiti. It's just like a little lip gloss balm. It's a lip gloss balm. Just put it right above the Cafe lip liner. And then I like just a good pink nude. So I'm going to bring this Natasha Denona. I love this. This is in the shade Sava. That's right above there. Then for a little bit more fun, I'm going to be bringing my YSL. This is in the more coral shade, but it's just a very fun summery shade. And these are so easy to wear, balmy, feel good. And then lastly, I'm going to be bringing the E-Balm from Persona Cosmetics. And this is actually in the shade Manifest. And this is the darkest shade I'm bringing. But the nice thing is it's kind of a dark red, but it's in a balm. So it diffuses and it looks really pretty. This be more of a going out type shade. And that is everything. I always love seeing these types of videos where people show what they're packing and what they're bringing, because I feel like you really see what products people love if they're willing to take them on a trip. So I thought I would share this with you since I am taking my son off to college, and this is what I am packing. I hope you all are doing well, and I will see you in my next video.